Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Chevy Uplander. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. Alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end and we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input, climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Uplander on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.